It's hard to believe, but the videos you are seeing are generated from images, and this is the power of AI image to video. With AI, you can convert any image sample into a video. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use the text-to-image feature of two popular artificial intelligences called Adobe Firefly and Lexica to generate images with just a text prompt, and then take those images as input in the image-to-video service from the artificial intelligence Runway ML to convert them into a video.
Iman Global YouTube channel.
In this tutorial, we have two important steps. In the first step, we want to create our desired images using AI text-to-image by inputting text prompts. In the second step, we will convert these images into videos using AI image to video. However, we have a challenge. Currently, the AI image to video system in the free plan generates unique videos with a duration of 4 seconds. But we will also solve this issue using a trick with Adobe Premiere Pro. In the first step, we need an image. I will introduce two text-to-image services that have free features. You can choose either one that you prefer to use for generating the images. First, we go to the Adobe Firefly website, the URL of which you see. Initially, we need to sign up and create a free account. After that, we have access to Adobe Firefly's features. As you can see, the text-to-image service is here. I click on the Generate button. On the new page in the text box, you describe the desired image with text. Here I have a prepared prompt, and I paste it. I click on the Generate button and 4 images are generated. By clicking on one of the images, we review them. At the top of each image there is a download button to freely download that image. We can save these images and use them as input in the next stage in the image-to-video service. On the right side there is a panel for customizing the images. Initially we have a drop-down list in the aspect ratio section, with which we can control the dimensions of the images. I change it to widescreen 16:9 and the new images will be generated based on these dimensions. I click on one of the new images and review them. Choose and download your desired images. We will use these images as input in the next section for Runway ML Artificial Intelligence. In the right panel in the Content Type section, you see the different modes available for image generation, which you can select at your discretion. In the Styles section, there are parameters so that you can generate images closer to your desired style. In the Popular tab, I select Digital Art. In the Movements tab, I select Steampunk and Science Fiction. In the Themes tab, I select Concept Art and 3D Art. In the Techniques tab, I select Bold Lines. In the Effects tab, I select Bokeh Effect. In the Materials tab, I select Metal. In the Concepts tab, I select Beautiful. With these parameters, we can control generating images in the style and aesthetics we want. Scrolling down a little in the drop-down list Color and Tone, I select Warm Tone. In the next list, I select Dramatic Lighting. In the Composition list, I select Close Up. And now from the Content Type section I select Graphic. New images will be generated based on these settings. Please review the images and download your desired image. Next, I will introduce another AI with the feature of text-to-image. We visit the artificial intelligence website Lexica.art. To get started, we create a free account to use the capabilities of the Lexica AI. We click on the Get Started button. To save time, we quickly move through the registration step. Now at the bottom of the page you can browse through the gallery of images generated by Lexica. Now I click on the Generate button. This is the text-to-image page of the Lexica website. You see the images I previously generated. In the text box, enter a description of the desired image. For this purpose, I paste the prompt that I have prepared. From the top right of the page in the Dimensions section, we have the ability to control and select diverse sizes and dimensions for the image. Scrolling down a bit in the Advanced Settings section, 2 models are available to generate images, and we select the newest one. In the Negative Prompt section, you can enter what you do not want generated in the images. Now I click on the Generate button. The images are created by clicking on each one. We review them. So far in this tutorial, I have introduced and taught you about 2 free AIs for generating images from text. Download the images you like from Lexica so that we can convert them to video in the next step. With the Generate Variations button, you can create various styles of this same image. With the Download button, save the desired image for free. With the Outpaint button, you can generate a wider version of this image via outpainting. Now that we have the needed images, we will move to the next step to use these images as input in the image-to-video service. In this stage, we will visit the Runway website to convert images to video. First, we will register for a free account and create a profile to use the Runway ML Artificial Intelligence services. After logging in, you will see the Runway ML capabilities on this page. We want to use the image to video service, which is known as Gen 2. I will click on this option. Here, I will upload the image we created in the previous step as input using the Upload a File option. I select the desired image and click on Open. The image is quickly uploaded. After uploading the image, I will click on the Generate button so that Gen 2 can convert it to a video. After a short period of time, a 4-second video is generated based on our selected image. There is a free download button at the top right corner of each video to save the video. I will download the first video and play it to see. If the video is not satisfactory, you can once again create subsequent videos by clicking the Generate button, producing new variations of videos from the same image. Now I click on the Generate button again. After a short time, a new video is generated using the same previous image. Using the Download button at the top right of the video, I save it. Now let's play the new generated video. Considering that the duration of each video in the free plan on the Runway ML website is limited to 4 seconds, we can bypass this limitation with a trick. We import the video that we want to extend into Premiere Pro. To do this, we create a new project in Premiere Pro. We give the project a name and specify the save location. Using the Create option, we create a new project. In the project panel, I right-click and select Import to import the desired file into Premiere. I add the file to the timeline by dragging and dropping it, creating a sequence. Now, I place the CTI at the last frame of the video and click on Export Frame. I specify the location to save the image. Using this method, I create an image from the last frame of the video. Now, I visit the Runway ML website and select the Gen 2 option. Next, I click on Upload a File and upload the image. Finally, I click on Generate to create a video based on this image. After a short process, a new video is generated by Gen 2. I save it using the Download button located at the top right of the video. Essentially, this video is an extension of the previous 4-second video. Let's play and review the new file. I return to Premiere Pro. I import the new video into Premiere Pro. I place it next to the previous video using a drag and drop action. As you can see, with this trick, the length of our video has increased. Let's summarize. In this tutorial, we generated images using two AI text-to-image systems called Firefly and Lexica. We then converted these images into videos using an AI image-to-video tool called Runway ML Gen 2. Additionally, we increased the length of the videos using a trick in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. I'll see you in the next lesson.